The town of Ogahanja and Rehoboth, although falling outside the two regions, are also under lockdown. Only one member of a family will be allowed to visit a shop, and grocery outlets must ensure that 1 meter distance or more is adhered to when people do shopping.
Most shops and businesses will be closed except those classified as essential or critical services. The police, military, and emergency services will continue to operate. Healthcare services such as public and private hospitals, clinics, doctors, pharmacies, and laboratory will remain open. Banks, essential legal, financial, payment services, and medical aid funds will continue to operate. Supermarkets and home kiosks will be allowed to operate normal trading hours daily to allow residents to provide care for themselves and their families. The sale of alcohol, liquor, and spirit is strictly prohibited. Petrol stations and the forecourt shops will remain open 24 hours. Municipal bus services will be suspended, except for those supporting the COVID-19 response. All open markets, informal trading activities, shebeens, bars, pubs, and nightclubs will not be permitted to operate during the lockdown period.
Public transport vehicles with a capacity of 4 passengers will only be allowed to carry 3 commuters, 4 for a 7-seater vehicle. Restaurants are allowed to operate but can only sell takeaways. Movements of people and public gatherings, such as weddings and funerals, are also to be limited.
COVID-19 related funerals will be handled by the state. For non-COVID-19 related funerals, organizers are advised to limit the number of attendees to not more than 10 persons. Those required to travel outside the restricted area for reasons of emergency may seek authorizations from the regional director of their respective sector. Social distancing protocols. Keeping a distance of 1 meter or more from another person should be strictly adhered to in all public spaces.
Meanwhile, there have been concerns whether the country would be fully stocked on food supplies during the lockdown period.
Government has had discussions with manufacturers and distributors of basic necessity who have indicated there will be continuous supply of these goods. So there is no need for panic buying. And there is also no need to stockpile items.
People who violate the lockdown regulations will be fined $5,000 on the spot or face arrest.